Making your dishes shine. Understanding, make the dish pop. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a flavorful expression, make the dish pop. This phrase is a gem in the culinary world, but it's also a fantastic example of how language can be as rich and diverse as our food. So, let's unravel the layers of this expression and see how it adds zest not just to our food, but to our conversations too. Make the dish pop is a phrase often used in culinary contexts. At its core, this phrase is about enhancing flavors or the visual appeal of a dish. But where did this expression come from? It likely originated from the world of professional cooking, where chefs constantly experiment with ingredients to create a dish that stands out in both taste and presentation. It's a phrase that encapsulates the art of cooking, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. When we say, make the dish pop, we're talking about adding elements that bring a new level of flavor or visual appeal to the food. This could be through a burst of color, an unexpected texture, or a contrasting flavor. It's like adding a splash of color to a painting or a surprise twist in a story. The idea is to create something that is not just delicious but also memorable and engaging for the senses. Let's visualize this phrase in action. Imagine a simple salad. Now, add some bright pomegranate seeds or a drizzle of a vibrant dressing. Suddenly, the salad isn't just tasty. It's visually stunning and has a mix of flavors that excites the palate. Or think of a chocolate cake. Add a pinch of sea salt on top, and you've just made that chocolate flavor stand out even more. These little touches are what make the dish pop. Interestingly, this phrase isn't just confined to cooking. It can be used metaphorically in various aspects of life. For instance, in fashion, adding a striking accessory to an outfit can make the look pop. In storytelling, a plot twist can make the story pop. It's all about adding that extra element that turns something good into something great. And that's a wrap on Make the Dish Pop. We hope this video has not only added a new phrase to your vocabulary but also inspired you to think about how you can make different aspects of your life pop with a little creativity. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep experimenting, and keep learning.